Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how you can reset your Google Chrome passphrase. Now this is a passphrase which is used to encrypt your synced data. Now resetting this passphrase will go ahead and disconnect all the data that you have on your synced devices. Let's dive further into it. So now by resetting the sync passphrase, you will delete all synced data, including bookmarks, passwords, and etc. from Google servers and disconnect all synced devices. Now to do this, simply go to your myaccount.google.com and sign into your Google account. Navigate to Sync and Google Services. In the dashboard, go to Sync and Google Services. Find the Reset Sync option and simply click it. Go ahead and re-enable sync after resetting the sync with a new passphrase, and now you will have reset your Google Chrome passphrase. As simple as that. I hope this video was helpful for those watching. Thank you.